How to view your item listing on Facebook Marketplace. So what we'll simply do is we'll open our Facebook app here, and we will go in our menu, which is given on the bottom right corner. And after clicking on it, we will get to see an option of Marketplace and other various option. If you don't see it, you can simply scroll and click on see more, but if you see, you can simply click on it, and here you have to go in your uh, profile itself, and after going in your profile you have to click on your listing, which is given right there. You can simply click on your listing option, and after clicking on that, you will go in a next page, and here is where you will able to see your listing. I haven't created any listing here, so I'm not able to see. If you have created, you will be able to see in this place. And then yeah, that is how you can view your item listing on Facebook Marketplace easily.